Automated crypto trading bots look like a clever shortcut. Set them up, sit back, watch profits roll in. So I won't walk you through the sales pitch for Zenbot. What I will do is give you the side of the story almost never shown. What it takes technically, where the risks hide, and whether this kind of bot really fits someone who expects simplified results. If you're serious about avoiding the common traps and want clarity on what works versus what just looks good, I'll link a deeper walkthrough in the description for you. Zenbot isn't plug-and-play. It's an open-source command line tool built on Node.js and MongoDB. That means you'll need to install software, manage dependencies, configure API keys, and potentially run on a VPS. Most users ignore how much of the setup time simply goes into making it run reliably. If you don't have that time or technical comfort, the automated bot promise becomes more of a hassle than a solution. Backtests make Zenbot look sharp because everything happens in a perfect environment. No delays, no spread changes, no price spikes, just clean historical data. Real trading isn't like that. When Zenbot runs live, it has to deal with whatever the exchange throws at it in the moment. If the order book changes in the middle of a trade, the bot doesn't adapt. It just executes the rules it was given. If the market moves too fast, it might enter late or exit late. If liquidity drops, you might get filled at a worse price than the bot expected. Here's a fact you almost never see. Zenbot's original GitHub repository is archived, meaning it's no longer actively maintained by its original authors. That doesn't automatically mean it's useless. It does mean you'll rely on community forks or your own modifications. In crypto, exchanges change, APIs, rules shift, and bots need updates. If you're not ready for that, you're leaving yourself exposed. And don't forget to see my top recommended alternative in the description of this video to discover how you can start making real money online even as a beginner without having to risk a ton of cash up front. Go take a look and compare your options. If you're comfortable with code, testing, infrastructure, and you treat this as one tool among many, not a miracle fix, then Zenbot might be interesting. If you expect to install and forget, hoping it will run autopilot while you do something else, it doesn't match that. The bot will amplify whatever you bring, your discipline, your technical setup, your monitoring. If those are weak, the bot will magnify the pain. Yes, the software is free, but free doesn't mean zero cost. You need secure API keys with exchanges, hosting, or a VPS, time to monitor, update, debug, understanding of trade size, risk, drawdowns. Also, since the bot acts automatically, you still bear the risk of losses. Open source doesn't reduce that. When using something powerful, you must be prepared for worst case, not just best case. Zenbot is a powerful tool for a specific user, someone technical, vigilant, comfortable with risk, and responsible for maintenance. It is not a simple set it and forget it solution for someone who wants hands-off income. If you're realistic about what you're getting into, it could be worth experimenting. If you want something more user-friendly, less maintenance, or with team support, you may want to look elsewhere. Also, check the description of this video for my top recommended alternative and find out what it can do for you. If you found this clear and helpful, please subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.